you can see the foot restraints. These are on the pedals to stop the foot from falling down onto the ground. Below that, this is the lithium iron phosphate battery. I converted the front of the trike to have full suspension. So these are coil suspension on the front. A little bit soft, but we'll see how it goes. I do have stiffer springs that I could replace. And there's the Bafang control panel. And looking back, there's all the luggage. Now what you can see just here, just behind the seat, is an auxiliary solar panel. This is for when I'm camping, and if I have a throw-over tent for the entire trike, I can park it in the shade, and I can use that auxiliary panel for charging the battery. And I made a basket for the back to put in various items such as cooking equipment and tent and so on. This is the control panel. It has 3 circuit breakers for protecting just about everything. On the right side are various outputs. There's a USB output, the direct output from the battery, and a 12-volt auxiliary output. There's a separate socket over on next to the what you can just see next to the battery for charging the battery. At the front of the trike, just underneath, I've got 2 different solar charge controllers. These are MPPT charge controllers, so that I can compare them. That one there is a, if I can get close enough, there we are. And then another one in the front, which is a completely sealed one. So I can switch between the 2.